top Do you understand? Half in total for you. So when you add this, you have another half inch to use to turn your top around it. And if you have to insert boning, like I said, I did not put that allowance. I just added 1.5. If you have to insert your boning, you pick your bust pan, and you can decide to pick another one. You divide this exact into 2, pick another one. Reason why we had exact measurement the first time, let me tell you, look up. It is for your boning. The first boning, you see some corsets that will come like 1, 2, 3, right? Some will have 4. You can do it anyhow you want. You see this your exact measurements. That is what will guide you. Number 1 is your bust pan. Assuming this is your bust pan, your first boning comes here. The remaining one divided by 2 on exact. Don't go to allowance to divide it. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Should I recap?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The reason why we emphasize that it has to be your exact measurements is because of your boning placement on your corset. The first time, you pick the first one on your bust pan, normal bust pan, Taman look for that. You pick the first one there. You can decide to pick another one here. In fact, you have to pick another one here. On the middle, on this center front, one boning will be here. Another one will be here. Bust pan, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Then this place to this place, divided by 2, another boning will be here. So we have 1, 2, 3. That makes it 6. If you add the allowance before picking that boning, it won't give you that exact dimensions that you need. One has to be in the middle, one has to be exactly under your bust, which is the bust pan, and one can be on half of it. If it's far beyond, only lower seam if you are not careful. So that is why you don't have to add seam allowance at first. It will guide you. But don't forget to add seam allowance. Oh, hard. We must snatch you. And then snatching too is one of the basic things about corsetry. You know, I mentioned the other time that it gives you what? Good hourglass shape. It enhances the bust. It reduces the waist. Enhancing the hip. If you can use your hip padding. Hourglass. To get that hourglass, you must snatch. You must snatch. You have to snatch. In fact, it's a must in corsetry. How do you snatch? You just use your exact measurement in front. At the back, you remove your... I'll do back now too. Do you understand? So, and while you snatch, no excess. That is why they say breathe in. You know? Is it okay? No. Is it okay? No. Is it okay? It's okay. That is why you get to party and you just sit down like a robot. You cannot eat, you cannot drink water. Because why? You have snatched. But trust me, when you stand up to take pictures,
Damn.
Fall.
Or you're suffering inside.
But you're suffering inside. I saw a bride and she wanted to sit down with the husband on the kidney. Keep baby here to joke. Yes. And when she sat down, like, you know that she's not comfortable. But corsetry has left that level now. There is room for allowance. There is room. When you snatch, it doesn't mean you should not be able to eat. You will snatch, no talk, waste them and snatch, but at least there are room for allowances. So we'll practicalize that when we are doing our practical. Let's move to the back. Okay, you can cut it.